I've got a problem. It's been over a year that I haven't updated my portfolio. I know it's so bad, but I've just find it so daunting. I don't like updating my portfolio. I don't know why, because it's my work and I should be proud of it, but for some reason I found it very painful. Basically, the last time I updated my portfolio was over a year ago, as I said. I just graduated from Chillington at this time, and now, as you can see, I'm blonde and I've been working freelance for over a year. So yeah, for this first video I thought that it would be interesting to document it. I've got some good work to showcase, so that's why we're gonna do that today together. And if you are in the same situation as me, take this video as a sign. It's time for you to do something about it as well. So what I did for me in order to not panic is that I used my magnificent mirror water notebook and I wrote down some tasks that I needed to do. So I'm gonna show them to you, and we're gonna start this video here. Oh, sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Manon. I'm a freelance graphic designer. I'm based in London, and as you can hear from my accent, I'm French. What I'm gonna do now is to show you my current portfolio. I'm gonna go very quick, so if you want to read through and have a look at each project one by one, I'll let you pause the video. So now that you had a look at what my current portfolio looks like, I want to start by redesigning the cover. So I'm not gonna do a complete rebranding because I don't want to. To be honest, I'm very pleased with the design and the logo that I've done. So I'm not gonna touch it. I'm just gonna change the colors because I don't really like the colors anymore. And I'm gonna add some texture to it. So we're gonna do that now, and then I'm gonna show you the final product. Now what I want to do is to redesign the introduction page. Basically in this page I want to provide as much information as I can that can be valuable for future clients, such as a description of myself, list of my services, as well as some other things that can be valuable for the clients. Also, I want to add a picture of me so that this page would be fully personalized. And yeah, we're gonna do that now. Okay, so now what I have to do is to pick 6 projects that are gonna be inside my new portfolio. I'm gonna show them to you very quickly. So first we have Willow, which is a rebranding project I did for a yoga studio based in Clapham. Then we've got Bleak Studio, which is also a rebranding project I did for an editorial graphic design studio based in Paris. Then we have Hedwin, which is a fashion brand I did an internship at, where I did a lot of artwork and photo retouching work. Next is a conceptual packaging project for a sparkling water called Brook. And we've got a last rebranding project I did for Se Sentir Bien, which is a coaching agency based also in Paris. And last but not least, I wanted to showcase my illustrations work gathering various projects I did. What I wanted to do is to design a template page that I'm gonna use for each project, where I would put all the information about the project, the context of it, the client, the keywords, etc., in order for the reader to know more about the project before actually looking at what I've done. I'm gonna do that now, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks like for each project. We're gonna head into the most challenging part of this video, I think. I'm gonna have to redesign some additional assets for each project, because when it comes to design projects, most of the time don't do as much as you would like, especially if it's a client with not a lot of budget. But what you can do inside your portfolio is to create more assets, like create some patterns, create some mock-ups and things like that, in order to give your work more weight. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Then what I'm gonna do for this project is to do some image retouching. So this is the actual image of the front of the salon. As you can see, there is still some old branding left on the facade, so I'm gonna erase it and replace it by some illustration that I did for this client. So for Blick Studio, I just wanted to design a nice page. It's what we called style tile, which is basically a composition of your logos, icons, colors, and other patterns. For the conceptual project, I'm just gonna do some mock-ups in order to put my visual in real life. If you need some resources for good and free mock-ups, I did an Instagram post that I'm gonna link down below. What I wanted to do for Brooke as well is to design a label. So I'm not gonna mock it up, I'm just gonna keep my design flat so that you can have a look at all the information that are in this label, and it will give a nice touch to the project. So let's do that. Whew, okay, so this step is done. I think I need a break. I'm gonna go to my local coffee shop. I'm gonna have a good flat white and then I'll be back, hopefully more energized. The last part will be very fun, so see you soon. So now what I'm gonna do, it's actually gonna be so satisfying. So I basically finished to design all the additional assets. So now the last thing we have to do is to put everything in place into our design document. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a nice time lapse for you and I hope you will enjoy it. So let's do that now. Wow, it's been a ride. I can't believe it's done. So I'm gonna show you what my final portfolio looks like. I'm not sure I'm gonna put all the portfolio there, but if you want to have a look at it, I will put a link in the description. So feel free to have a look at it and let me know what you think. So without further ado, here is the final result of my new portfolio. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed the final result. I am very proud of it. It was worth the effort and the time. I hope it will give you the motivation or the inspiration that you need to do the same. So that's it for this video. Subscribe if you want to watch other videos because I think I'm gonna do some more. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. And yeah, that's it. Take care and hopefully see you soon. Bye.